In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to integrate Stripe payments in your Base44 app. By the end, you'll have Stripe connected to your Base44 project so you can start handling payments with confidence. We'll move from your Base44 workspace to the Stripe dashboard, grab the right credentials, and let Base44's built-in assistant wire everything up for you. Start in Base44, sign in, and head to the apps area where all your projects live. Open the project you want to enable payments on to land in its dashboard. From there, look for the integrations section. This is where Base44 keeps official connections to services like Stripe. Open integrations and choose Stripe as the provider you want to connect. Next, jump over to the Stripe website. If you don't have an account yet, create one, otherwise sign in. Make sure you're comfortable working in test mode first so you can experiment safely. In the Stripe dashboard, go to the Developers section, typically found near the bottom of the navigation, and select API keys. Here you'll see your publishable key and your secret key. You'll need the secret key for the server side of your app. Copy your test secret key now. Keep this private, never share it publicly, and rotate it if it's ever exposed. Return to your Base44 project integrations or app connections view and choose to use the Stripe integration. Base44 may prompt you to select an existing prompt or add your own. Pick a prompt that matches what you want the integration to do, or write a concise instruction if you have a specific flow in mind. This helps guide how the integration is set up in your project. Open the chatbot in your project's editor or preview. When prompted, paste your Stripe secret key. Use your test key at this stage. The assistant will take care of wiring it into the project's code or configuration securely so you don't have to touch sensitive files. Avoid pasting keys if you're screen sharing or recording, and confirm you're working in a private workspace. Finally, click Send to confirm. Give the assistant a moment to process. You should see a confirmation or status message indicating the key was stored and the integration has been applied. At this point, Stripe is connected to your Base44 app and you're ready to proceed with your payment features in test mode. To recap, open your project in Base44, choose the Stripe integration, fetch your test secret key from Stripe's developers area, provide it to the Base44 chatbot, and send. Keep your keys secure, test thoroughly, and when you're ready to go live, repeat the process with your live key.